When you try to install the plugin in WordPress, when you hit the install now button, it should be installed without any issues. But sometimes what happens is that you get a pop-up saying that you have to connect with your server using FTP username and password. So which is not expected thing. So how you can fix that issue in WordPress is that the reason why that error comes is because you haven't set the owner of the your WordPress website properly. So first of all, you have to find out the owner of the PHP process. So normally, if you have got installed PHP on your server, then you can execute this particular command in your PHP server, and that way you can find out the owner of your this particular website. So normally for HTTP or Apache server, this is the owner Apache. So that's how you can change the owner of the public HTML directory. And once that is done, you can also set these permissions. 755, this is the permission required for the directories, and 644 is the permission for all the files in that particular WordPress website, for all the files. So once this is done, you will be able to install the plugins without any issues. In my case, my this user ID and group was different, username and group was different, and that's why I was getting that error. As soon as I changed the owner of this particular directory to this Apache, which I found using this particular PHP statement, I was able to install the plugins without any issues in WordPress. Thanks for watching this video.